All right, since we have an e-learning today, you guys are going to do the effortful processing examples that I was going to have you guys do in class. You're going to do at home. So, first off, reminder from yesterday, we left off in our notes where we were talking about encoding. And so we said encoding is that process of actually moving information from short-term or working memory into long-term memory. How do you actually remember stuff? So encoding is noticing and attending to information. So yesterday I told you that sometimes we do this automatically by processing unconscious information like what you had for breakfast this morning. And sometimes we have to work at it. So it's going to be processing info that requires effort. So we're going to look at some examples of this. So first off, you need to have a scratch sheet of paper. So if you have the same scratch sheet of paper that you wrote the 7 dwarves names on from yesterday, then great. If not, just get out a regular sheet of paper. That's fine. Okay. Now, this again requires you not to cheat. So that means that you're not going to look at the answers until you're done. And you are not going to use your iPad or your phone to look up the answers, okay? So I'll trust you on this. Remember, it's just for fun, okay, to make a point. So first off, I want you to list the 12 gifts of Christmas from that song, 12 Days of Christmas. It's getting up that time of year. 12 Days of Christmas, that song. On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. Yes, I am not singing that great. What are the 12 gifts of Christmas? So pause the video, take as much time as you want, write down the 12 gifts of Christmas. Go. Okay, hopefully you paused and hopefully you wrote down the 12 gifts of Christmas. So how hard was this? Was it really hard? Kind of hard? How about, was there some gifts that you remembered better than others? How do you think that was? Okay, now draw a line after underneath that. Yes, you will see the answers in just a bit. I'll show you where the answers are. Okay, then what I want you to do is that I want you to go and draw a line, and I want you to do something else for me. Okay, this one's a little more challenging, and it's going to take a little bit longer. All right. I want you to list as many of the U.S. presidents as you can. Ooh. Okay, again, pause the video, write as many as you can when you've exhausted your list. Some people take longer than others because they really, really want to try and get as many as they can. Then play the video again. Okay, how did we do? How many did you get? Do you remember how many there are? Each. Keep in mind that there's like 43. So yeah, how'd you do? Well, how hard was this? Was it really hard? Some of you I know you're like, oh gosh, I don't know presidents, whatever. Okay. How about, again, were there some presidents that were easy to remember than others? That one is kind of interesting with the presidents. Now, after you've actually done this, so you spent some time and you made your list, here's what I want you to do. On Canvas underneath this video, I have a link to a form where I want you to go and check off the gifts that you remembered and the U.S. presidents that you remembered. So it's a form, it's a Google form, it looks like this, okay? You're going to check off all the ones you remembered of the 12 gifts of Christmas and all of the U.S. presidents, and then you're going to hit submit. Tomorrow in class, what will happen is that I will show you the results of the little survey, or I'm sorry, not tomorrow because I don't see you tomorrow. Monday in class, I'll show you the results of the survey because it'll also include third period because I'm going to have them go and fill out the survey as well, even though we're going to do it in class. It's very interesting, the results, as far as which ones you actually remember and which ones you don't. Okay, so don't forget to fill out that form that's underneath this video. All right, lastly, remember you have some notes to take. So watch the video notes, take the notes, and then lastly, do your homework that's due tonight by midnight. Have a good day. Bye.